Good morning, dear students. Gaseous state. Easy way to find pressure and volume using Boyle's law. The problem given is find the missing parameters from the following data using Boyle's law. Find the missing parameters. The parameters are given. In this parameter, we can see the temperature is constant. So, Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, volume is inversely proportional to pressure or pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature. P1, P2, P3, this parameter is missing, we have to calculate P3 and also V2. Remember always the unit of pressure, volume and temperature. Unit of pressure, atmospheric pressure, ATM. Volume, decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube equal to 1 liter. If any value is given in decimeter cube, it is nothing but volume. If any value is given in ATM, it is nothing but pressure. So, using this data, now we are going to calculate the pressure and volume. According to Boyle's law, we know the formula. Now I write the formula. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to P3 V3 and goes on. Boyle's law is applicable for all gases. Gas 1, gas 2, gas 3, gas 4 are all equal. Now, what are the values are given? Substitute here. P1 is 1 and what is V1? 1, that is equal to. P2 is 2. We have to calculate V2, that is equal to. P3 we have to calculate and V3 0.25. From the known 2 value, we can calculate the unknown value. Among the 3 values, the known value is P1, V1. These 2 values are known. Here 1 value we have to calculate, here also 1 value we have to calculate. Therefore, what you have to equate? You have to equate one known value, which 2 values are known, and one unknown value. Then one known value and these 2 we have to equate in the second part. Now, 1 into 1 equal to 1 and 1 equal to 2 and V2. What is V2? V2 is equal to, bring the 2 to the left hand side, 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. What is the unit of volume? Decimeter cube. Now we calculated V2. We are going to calculate the P3 value. Now what are the known value? This is known value given in our problem. You have to equate this value and this value. These 2 values are known. Now we are going to calculate P3. This value and this value we have to equate. Now, 1 and 1 equal to P3 and 0.25. 1 into 1 equal to 1. So, P3 is equal to, bring the 0.25 to the left hand side, 1 by 0.25. If you difficult to solve this one, convert mostly the fractional number into the whole number. Multiply the numerator by 100, denominator by 100. If you multiply 0.25 into 100, it becomes 25. Now you can easily cancel. 125 is 25. How many 25s are 100? 4 25s are 100. Therefore, P3 is equal to 4. What is the unit of pressure? ATM, atmospheric pressure. So we have calculated the volume value 0.5 decimeter cube, the volume V2, the missing parameter 0.5 decimeter cube, and also we calculated P3 pressure missing parameter 4 ATM. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please okay, thank you.